Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. It sounds so weird saying that, but yes, welcome. For those who don't know, I do have an eyelash business and it is called Lashes by Arlo. And with that being said, I get a lot of requests on how you put on your fake eyelashes. Sorry, I'm kind of blanking. This is all new to me. But yeah, so I decided to film a video on how to put on your falsies, and without further ado, let's get started. Come on. The Lashes by Arlo in the style Alina, and they look like this. Super cute. The link will be down in the description. And you're going to need an eyelash curler, eyelash glue, an eyeliner, tweezers, and some scissors, but unfortunately I could not find scissors. Okay, so what you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to take your lashes out. And my lashes have this little tab that you just pull and it'll pop them right out. So you want to grab your lashes, use your tweezers. Oh my gosh, right here. Use your tweezers, and you're going to want to take them off from the outer corner. Just pull them off like that. And same thing to the other one. Okay, so now that you have your lashes out, these I've worn them already, so they're not completely new. Now the first thing I like to do is I like to measure my lashes and make sure that they fit my eye. And also, if they've been worn, I like to take off the glue that stayed on there from the previous time, and I just take it off with these tweezers. But yeah, the way you want to measure them is you want to place them against your eye. I'm going to be looking at my mirror here. So you want to place them against your eye, put the inner corner kind of where your eyelashes start. Sorry, I had a lagaña. Gross. Anyways. So grab your lash. Measure it by placing the inner corner where your lashes start. And then you want to see if the end also fits right. Now, my lashes actually fit my eye shape, so I don't need to cut any off. But sometimes, like, your eye is smaller and your lashes will extend out, so you have to cut them. And always make sure you cut from the outer corner, not the inner corner, because most lashes have short lashes in the front and then they get longer as they go down the line. So always cut from the outer corner. And also, lashes always have like an excess band in the front, and you're going to want to cut that off too, because 80% of the time if your lash is bugging you, it's probably because of the excess lash band that's right here. So make sure you cut that off. So now that you have measured your lashes, make sure both eyes are measured. You're going to want to curl your lashes. They are curled enough. Now this next step is super important. It is what makes your lashes like blend seamlessly in your eye, and that is you're going to want to grab your eyeliner. Today I am using the L'Oreal Super Slim, and this is what it looks like. It's like one of those eyeliner pens, super easy. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to just draw a thin line on your eye. You could also wing your eyeliner, but I mean today, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to draw a thin line. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And you want to make sure that you are bringing the eyeliner as close to your lashes as possible. Just because if you have like a layer of skin sticking out, or not sticking, if you have a layer of skin showing, then it'll be a little bit more noticeable that you're wearing lashes. Okay. If you see, it's like thin, nothing too crazy. Now we're going to grab the lash. And I know I measured the left eye, but like I said, my lashes fit my eye shape. I have pretty big eyes, so I didn't need to cut them, besides the excess lash band that is showing. And as I mentioned before, these have been worn, so I am just taking off the excess glue. You want to grab your eyelash, put on some of the lash glue, and then today I am using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and this one has aloe in it. I actually like this one. I mean, it's one of the drugstore brands, but it's pretty cheap. There it goes. It's kind of dirty, sorry. But yeah, it's pretty cheap. It's like $5 at Walgreens or CVS. Here's my eyelash. I'm just going to coat it. With some eyelash glue. Now I think I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Okay, now you want your eyelash glue to be tacky, so let it sit for a second, and in the meantime I like to apply some mascara. Oops, and I got some on the side. Apply some mascara. And once again, this is just so your lashes blend. Sorry, let that focus. Okay, now I normally do not use tweezers to put my lashes on, but for beginners, I think this is a great way to start. So you want to grab your eyelash with your tweezer. And now that we've had some time to let the glue dry, you want to go in at an angle. And the trick is you want to place it like right where your eyelash starts. And you want to secure the middle first, like so. And then kind of move the inner corners into place. Now, don't be afraid to touch your eye. I know this looks kind of scary, but I mean, the glue doesn't burn, which is why I like that one. Now I'm going to grab my fingers and just clamp. Press down and clamp the lash so it blends. And this glue does dry clear, so it looks crazy now, but it will dry. And there is that first lash. Oh gosh. Featuring my mascara. Whatever, just ignore that. But I hope you were able to see me put that one on. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing for this eye. grab my eyelash, putting some glue on it. This is super easy, guys. And then honestly, like, the Lashes by Arlo lashes are super easy to put on because the band is flexible and light. I know I've tried some lashes where the band is kind of stiff and hard to maneuver. So these lashes are great, and I'm not just saying that because they're mine, but they really are great. Once again, coating this. Oh my gosh, I forgot eyeliner. It's okay, hold on. Do that really fast. Oh my gosh, you can't see me do it. Oh, fuck. Shh. Oh my god, my dog scared me. Louis. Oh my gosh. Okay, this liner looks like crap, but it's okay. So my eyelash has glue on it. Grab it from the middle. Place at an angle. Middle first, and then adjust the corners. And then with your fingers, you're going to want to squish and adjust. You know, putting on lashes, it's all about comfort, so you want to make sure that you are comfortable in how they are placed. Let the glue dry. Okay, and then the last thing I like to do is, once again, grab my eyeliner and kind of go over a little bit if needed. I mean, if needed, go over if you still have like a little bit of glue showing. But that is that, you guys, and like, they look great. Alrighty, well, thanks for watching this video. I hope it wasn't too confusing. I hope you guys found this somewhat helpful and enjoyed it. And once again, the lashes I used were the Lashes by Arlo in the style Alina. And I will have that linked down below. Peace. Took me forever to figure this out. I'm gonna turn this down. Damn, it's in my face. Oh, fuck. So now, oh my gosh, and you need mascara. Look at me trying to tell you how to put your lashes on. And I'm not even prepared. I need to find my mascara. Ay, mis pinches chichis.